Hi guys. Let's start with Opinion Now. Opinion Now is a site that searches for interested testers from all countries. He manages the German language online mega panel in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. These people are regularly invited to study. When you register on Opinion Now, you will be invited to paid surveys on different topics. You will have future products on which you will give your opinion. Opinion Now rewards you on your bank account. Do you want to make money by polls? So, what are you waiting for? Join Opinion Now. Now. Opinion Now is designed for customers to express their point of view while earning money. You can join this program and express your opinion about new products. Opinion Now is one of the first in the market research in Germany. Opinion Now is a legitimate paid survey site. Their only problem is cash out and no assistance in case of withdrawal problem. If you want to try and see, go ahead, it's free. According to some comments, the members are satisfied with the quality of the polls and that they describe it as very interesting. Others complain about the quota that is quickly exhausted even if they respond quickly to the invitation. For payment problems, I advise you to withdraw your earnings as soon as the minimum threshold is reached. How to join the Opinion Now program? Click on Registration. A registration form is displayed. You fill in your essential data, age and sex. A confirmation email is sent to you with which you activate your account. Registration is free, so no fees. On the contrary, they pay you money after completing an investigation. The number of surveys depends on your free time and the number of orders from Opinion Now customers. It is recommended to answer as soon as possible to avoid missing your surveys. Opinion Now's managers check each time if the survey matches your profile. Other people may be faster, so the system will close the quota for this profile. The amounts for each survey depend on the length of time and the target group. These credits are valid for 2 years. Once the minimum payment has been reached, you can retrieve it from PayPal or online vouchers on the Friday following your payment request. How much do you earn with Opinion Now? It depends on the duration and type of investigation. Usually between 500 credits, 5 to 8 minutes, and 3,000, 30 minutes, sounding. By participating in surveys we cannot predict how much we can earn each month, because participating in these surveys cannot guarantee you a large income. Now that you have an overview on Opinion Now, good luck and above all, win more. That's all for today. See you in another video.